Chop out of my hand and my foot. But me not chop you, no. Scratch all the deer yam. See there. Yeah, me not grung ya. Hey, you feel walk, you know.
Welcome back to the channel, viewers and the subscribers. We are here with another video, and we are here to talk to an interesting gentleman. His name is no other than Dougal Williams.
Right there, some miss.
Yeah, man.
Just call me AKA Doggie.
Doggie.
Yes,
Alright,
yes,
AKA
yes.
Doggie.
Yeah.
And if you have been on the channel for a while, you would have seen this gentleman in another video. Very funny person. And I know he'll probably have something to say about that. A comedian somewhat. So he's gonna share a story with us today. But please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit the post notification bell. So each time we upload a new video, you will be notified. And before we get into that video, I want to say special big up to Amri Adlam from St. Elizabeth. This gentleman is a special gentleman. I had the pleasure of speaking with him lately. It was a pleasure speaking with you, Mr. Adlam, because he knows every video that we have put out. He watches all of them, and we appreciate your continued support. So big up yourself. All right. So now let's talk to Mr. Williams, aka Doggie. Doggie, how you doing this morning?
I'm fine, thank you very much. Thank God for Jesus. We wake up with the same life, you know.
Yes.
You know, take you away. So we have another chance
Okay.
to go and live.
Awesome.
Yes.
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 Yes. So and you're a farmer.
Yes, man.
Mm-hmm.
Some people farm fat, but me farm ground. Farm land. Big yam, me land plant yam.
Guys,
Yes.
you see what I mean? Me not gonna manage him this morning, you know. But anyway, so you're a farmer. You're also a security guard.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And
We
you're
do mason work,
Yes.
plumbing.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man.
So
The
you're a
whole
jack
party.
of all
Yes,
trades.
man. Me a jack of all trades. Master none of them do.
Yes. Yes.
What me do them?
I hear you. Yes. So
Yeah.
interestingly though, because we're on your farm this morning to talk to you about, something would have a series of events that would have occurred in your life.
Yes.
Right. So I'm gonna give you the platform so you can tell us what happened.
Yes, man. Me a come from way back, you know.
Yes.
Way back in a life, me a come from. First time me see one vehicle, me afraid I hit.
Yes.
Yes, sir, man.
Right.
First time me see one vehicle, me afraid I hit, man. Now go near it. Until me come by 7 now.
You buy 7 vehicles?
7 vehicles since that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how many you have now though?
Me have one no more now, miss.
Oh,
one
so
no
you go through 7
yeah,
vehicles. Okay.
you know.
Yes. So
Yes,
you mentioned the fact that you were where were you living at first? Where were you born? Talk to us.
Penrick, that's in Manchester. In Manchester, that's we call over the Breeze Hole. Yes, man, over there so we originate from.
Okay.
And me left when me a 6-year-old, me come from Chilani side, come live.
Oh.
You know, so struggle through life, still here, you know?
Yes.
Yes, man.
Okay, so you're saying when you were in Brazil, you never exposed to like electricity and vehicle and all those
No,
things?
we did use to bulb light. For my father buy a thing named Delco, so we have TV and stuff like that.
Oh.
So we used to bulb light, but when we come at Chilani now, when me know that to myself, so when me come at Chilani side and see light pan posts, me start wonder where.
What it
You
is.
want to make nice, very nice there for you know the Delco make nice for give the light. So where did that come from?
Yes.
So that's how we start experience yourself with our no say current. Yeah, run through the wire them and you know everybody can have.
Yes.
Time a black and white TV, non-colored. We don't know no color TV first time, you know. First color TV, me see my bigger brother named Bali. Open the black and white and take it there. We also have some red scandal bag, them color scandal bags, so you just open it. Take out the whole case of it, put the colors plastic bag over his screen and shove it in back in the case so the people them come red. Pure red people.
Oh, so that's how he created the color
colored.
TV.
So you know what I mean? For me
wow.
brother Bali until colored start coming. So
Yes.
for where we are come from, man, I'm still there. Man, so we have to give thanks, you know.
True,
Have to give thanks, man, you know.
Yes.
Have to give thanks.
So Doggie, you were once married,
Wow.
no divorced.
That a one long line of story when me mad.
Yes.
But me take joke and build back my life. You know? Married to one woman, we take her with Foley Pitney.
Yeah.
I'm married to her and take her house land and everything for me. And go and left me. Hala tears, man. Every day tears, man. If me see money when me take by phone card, fi call that the woman, the boy me da run funny for enough for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And mash me up. Go to St. Elizabeth, walk out in a vehicle. Come back to Chilani. Start plan better my life.
Yeah.
So trust me, sometimes you know, you go through some fears of life, you know, if you just stark your mind,
Yeah.
it better. Some people sit down with it
Mm-hmm.
and it affect them brain. But no man, me talk out here and laugh out here, man.
Yes.
Laugh out here and build myself back. See, that's why me come to be a comedian, not comedian, comedian.
Yes.
Me a comedian. Yeah,
Wow.
so nothing. Me say true, me say me a comedian, you know, you can't grow on me, though, you know.
Yes.
No,
You're a
me
smart man.
Smart in my head, man. Smart
Yeah.
head. You see your head little. What you thing in there? Talk like all people too. I run joke.
So you lost everything, but
Everything,
you were able
man.
to build back yourself.
Everything I know.
Yes.
Wow. Build back myself. When me and that woman, they me plant 80 hill I am.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I have no time for work, nothing for myself. Me have to be out there catch the bird for the youth, them can go to school and things.
Yes.
You know? But now, fly am, man. See, I am not gone cross way, so.
Yes.
Yes, man.
How many you
Plant
have
food.
now?
I go 800 hill.
Wow.
There in a bush, yeah.
And you
Yeah,
used to only
I
plant
miss-
80.
Yeah, now 8 hill me used to plant and me have new land about for plant.
Mm-hmm.
And me a chop off some, you know what I mean?
So
Life
you're doing
motivate.
awesome. You're doing great.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, man.
So Doggie, let's get into this part because I know you're a comedian. You love to give joke and all of that.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Me
you love to
make-
imitate.
Yes,
you love
man.
to imitate persons.
Yes, man. Me love to make people laugh. Me no love
Yes.
to people vex. And see, me take serious thing, make joke.
Mm-hmm.
For that's my lifeline of building back my brain.
Yes.
So enough people out there and take things serious every day. They bend up their face like they like when all boot mash up. No. You fix up yourself, man,
Yes.
and laugh off you and give jokes that people can say, yeah, call upon you, then they more if you come where you there when they see you more than and move from you. Because if you bend up your face and say you're bad,
Nobody
people are going scared
going
of
to
you.
stay-
But when
yeah.
you run your joke, people more if you come where you there and crack two joke, make them laugh and feel better, you know.
Yes.
Many people are going through some type of life, you know, if then they have somebody beside them where run joke, it does zoops out of their head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you
They
know,
wouldn't get to focus on the
good,
negative
and
so
the
much.
negative, good,
Yes,
good.
yes. And so Doggie, you would have when you left Breezewell, you predominantly, you know, lived in Trelawney.
Yeah.
But there were times that you said that you left the area and you went to a number of places. Talk to us about that.
I left Trelawney, I go live at Kingston.
Mm-hmm.
I left Kingston, come back at Trelawney. I go live at Mandeville.
Mm-hmm.
I left Mandeville, I come back at Trelawney. I go Mobile, I left Mobile, I come back at Trelawney. I go Sparlings go live, I come back at Trelawney. I
Yeah.
go Senti go live, I come back at Trelawney. Ay, Trelawney, me fit on, man. Me love you, so you know. For when you turn at Trelawney, you plant yam. So
Yes.
you rhyme that, you know.
Yeah.
Trelawney and yam. Rhyme me a rhyme out it.
So
That's how me stay, you
So
know.
what why you keep coming back? Talk to us about what you did when you went to these places. So what did you do when you got to Kingston?
I do gardener.
Mm-hmm.
Now I survive from it because you know what I mean, the push on thing
Mm-hmm.
with the man boss or whatsoever.
Mm-hmm.
Me come back at Trelawney. The best one with me they go still a Mandeville, me go live with some man named Mr. Brim, which
Yes.
him did have near site, so I me kinda help him round.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I me kinda help him round and make him move round with him. So that was good, but eventually them time there, you know how much me I work them time there, Mandeville? $60 per week. Me no mean $60 US, you know. Well, $50, it was $50 and $10
Yes.
and $1. Then the money there.
Uh-huh.
So $1, $2.
Mhm.
But me know me pay $60 for the week.
Mm-hmm.
That still can't do nothing. But
Was
it
it
was
a
a
lot?
good money them time
At the
there.
time.
Yeah, because I can pay me fear front out of it, come at Trelawney
Mm-hmm.
and eat and drink and go back out of it. So it was a good door.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow,
yeah.
$60.
$60. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. And I left there so
Mm-hmm.
I go and Mobile, go drive for one guy up a hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Pay and then I run right here. Because when weekend come on, if you come up at Trelawney, I not get no money. I just sometimes $1,000 me get to come back here.
Yes.
I go St. Elizabeth, and I did do my thing down there, my money mash up down there, I come back here. I go marry to him and a Sparlings, we move, come back here. Oh man.
wow.
So I meet him, I lose nothing in
Yes.
life, man. Nothing. If me see all my money, then when me up and down and lose in life. Hey, yo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I may get the Prime Minister.
Well, like you say, you're in a better place now.
Better place, man.
Yes.
Better life. Better life. Me didn't get no picnic for many years. Me there with the woman 14 years. And me there with one woman now for that go 7 years and me gone pan 2. Me a ball man, you know. Me can't lick out runs now, you know. Just a throw ball pan bat and lick you for 6. So me a picking the daddy now.
Yes, so you're proud about
proud
that.
of myself.
Yeah.
Proud of myself, miss.
Oh,
Proud of
that's
myself.
wonderful.
Proud of myself.
Yes.
Better
yes.
life, you know. Better life.
You talked to me about school and when you left school. Tell us about that.
Well, me have a boss we talk about.
Mr. Collins.
Collins.
Yes.
Collins.
That's
Yeah,
former
man.
principal of
Yes,
Troy
man.
Primary
I respect
School.
that man until this blessed day. But me and him did have one little hard talk one night time.
Yes.
But me afraid of lick, you know.
Yes.
2 weeks me spending in class. Grade 8. That I did
All-age
age school. 2 weeks. And me say, I'm afraid of lick. He left one girl to watch the class. Cause the time they have one book. I tell them I pick nowadays they have one if I no clocks pan foot.
Yes.
They no feel like go to school. Barefoot we are licky.
Yes.
I pantsuit, my mother cut off the khaki pantsuit and sew the bottom and tie one chink pan here. One strap bag we have with one book. It a
Yes.
do maths, English, every subject you get.
Yes.
And him they do.
Wow. You ever did half a book?
Yeah, I did half a book.
And
Went
half
to,
a quarter pencil or
yes,
half a
man.
pencil?
Pencil I broke in a two picnic.
Wow.
So you see? Yeah, and then leave the girl, he leave work on the board and we do work. After we do work now, he left and gone and leave a girl, one of the class team students, to watch the class film. So we do the work, put the one book in the purse, cause homework, so we don't care home back the book.
Yes.
So the following day now we go to school, another teacher come give you a work on the board. So me get up now, go take up the book and do the work. So him come to school in the after hours and call up the girl up on index and say the girl fi talk out who ups and down in our class. And Mercy and him a call my friend them name, you know, man, and then they get licking.
Yes.
I say when they call for my name, when she called for my name, man, I dropped tears before me go to him because me afraid of that the man there, you know.
Yes.
And trust me, he give me 3 over my back. And he give me 3 over my back. Me take it and me go and me see it and me sit down and all the work we are going, me still a do, but me consider myself out a door and in a school. So me say, alright, 1 out of the 2, me have to make a try this evening. And trust me, when school bell ring, me come at the class doorway and look out a door and me look in back for Mr. Cadden. And me look out a door and me look round back for him. And me tap off of the step and come out. For me tap off of that step, me no go back to school. One little piece of my shit, me take and bus up water boat. Done with school.
Wow. So you left school
Left
and you never
school
go back?
and never go back to
Yeah.
school from that day. Yes, man.
So what happened after that and how did that impact your life?
Well, it impact my life because I could have put 1 and 2 together and say a 3. Then time then now me thought say half and half. Me can't remember if I 1 or what.
You lose
You
out.
lose every brain up yourself from school. For me say machine me I use and go do farming and stuff like that. And then
Yes.
me have a friend. Me and him grow together. Say me thought look woman now, you know, turn girlish. So then time there no phone.
Yes.
And later we have to write. And me say, check my virgin and he say, yes man. And he write me, buy me exercise book and me pencil. And go yard at night time. Hide all in the house if and in granny, if I granny did miserably, you know. Can't make she know say me did it. Sometimes me
Yes.
drop asleep on the floor. And me write me letter them and me virgin he rub out the line where no write and put what he did there and me copy catch it. And copy catch it. Until me catch back my education and me can
Yes.
read and write now, me can sign.
Yes.
Yeah, me can go on with me things, so I respect that bridging there, no, man.
So that bridging they help you out
Yes,
good
man.
and
Put
get
me
you
back on foot,
track.
man. Put me back on track, man.
Yes.
Put me back on track. Me go read, get me license. Me good to go, man.
Yeah,
good
man,
to
you're
go,
good to
man.
go.
That the
So-
virgin there, put me back on foot, man.
So viewers and subscribers, interestingly, the friend is here. Guess
Yeah.
who the friend is? Let me show you the friend. The friend
Yes,
is the man behind the camera. So
Yes.
so take a look. Take a look.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
So this is the
Yes,
friend.
Man, the friend, this man.
Yes.
Grow together. Grow together, man.
Yes.
Yeah, bring me
So
back,
this
man.
is the friend that Mr. Williams is speaking about, who
Yes, man.
assisted him, and is the man. He's also the man responsible for the editing of the videos for a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. So, Mr. Kemp,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, man.
So, I'm going to hold the camera for a little while now because Mr. Williams did mention to us that sometime in his life he went to Kingston and Mr. Kemp was also there with him. So talk
Everywhere.
so talk to
in Kingston.
yes. So you have a history.
To go be a St. Elizabeth and them place with him, but Kingston, anywhere in the community,
Yeah.
we did it.
Right. So you have a history together.
Yes.
So talk to us now about what happened in Kingston. So Mr. Williams, you tell us because you went to Kingston to do gardening. Tell us how Mr. Kemp came into the picture now.
The place where we were working, the boss, what the work did there, no?
Mm-hmm.
Banana farmer, orange and there is something they did there, no? So me the carry Mr. Kemp now go up there if you go do one work on a Belvedere, on a flat land. And me dey up a Belvedere. That's how they go, sir. Belvedere, me dey up a Belvedere.
I don't remember where place near. Me just know that Mr. Randy.
Yes, man. And I tell you now, man, me get the work for him and he come up and go around there. So me then now me say me dey run away me there work. So when weekend come now, me da link up with him now so the two of we can come down. Cause it was we par, you know. And Jaja, when me boss now come tell me say the gentleman that me carry around and Mr. Ranjit leave. Me want left to ya man for me know my friend up there man. And me know no friend at town so for me friend down ya, someone want come down.
Yes.
So me come down. Then when come down now, me tell him say, we are go back up. And we are go. I feel me boss.
But hold on. How me get to leave still?
Right, because I want to know how you get to leave. Him take you up there, but you leave him.
Yes.
So what happened?
Alright, them time that we never have no phone and anything there, I couldn't write him because we never have his address. Alright, one of the things, we have to sweep like the driveway every morning.
Every morning.
Oh
And they have
my.
some birds up there, some big bird.
Mandy, Lucy, Elcar.
Them
Bad.
bird they never give you a chance to sweep.
Oh wow.
Bad.
As you start sweeping them, they come and pick on pan the broom and then do everything. And you will heap up because them time they have the bougainvilleas flowers.
Yes, man.
Where they use pan the edging.
Mm-hmm.
So you would have just make a little pile to take it up with the rake and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
You see by the time you make a little pile, it come like a tornado.
Yeah, man.
Oh, they mess it
You
up.
just come and wheel it and send it back which part you
For
sweep
days.
it from. So all of them little
Oh.
thing there. You see, this Saturday, we go this Friday, we start work this Saturday. You see, this Sunday, all when the rain a fall, me in the banana walk, I push the lawnmower, I cut down grass.
Mm-hmm.
Tell you,
And rain a fall, and me say, who? Me not come out of it because me I go back to my yard.
So you want to finish the work so you can get paid.
So when me say when they even call me say me alright. Because me have my plan to go home. So guinea pig did it. Lord Jesus have mercy. If you carry 10 container load of grass go through in space of 2 hours, it done.
Then say them a weep.
You see me? So all of them look something there. And then when me look on him, I say, no sir, better me go back a country go, you know.
Mm-hmm. So
Go
you
find
came
something
back.
else. So me come back home.
Okay.
First thing, when me tell them say me I go home, they say why? Me tell them say me I'll get somebody else to come. Me tell them say me I send Scotty, that I feel this man your brother. So me don't even know if he would go. And
But
me don't
you
have
just
no
call
plan
her
to go
name.
check him, but you me want me money if you pay me fear come back
Come
and me
home.
yard, me tell them that. And they give me fear and me come back home.
Oh Lord, confession good for this soul.
Yes, but him now, me don't know what make him come back. Because me did left.
Okay, so you
He
know
must
me.
miss me.
Yes, no, man.
So tell us why you leave Mr. Williams.
Yeah, the same show, you know. Me never, me dey comfortable around me there in a farmer way because me used to have the key for the house when the boss them gone, so me can go cook what me want and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But lonely place. You don't have nobody. As you step out of the house, you have to shut the grill. As you step in, you have to shut the grill. Man, you know, them the life them you know used to, you know. So I mean,
Yes.
that is the main thing why me the forward back and say me want my friend up there. I think we dey go back up there. Me and Mr. Kemp go back up there, you know. And when we go there, we catch at the yard. Me know exactly where me going. So the boss no know say me come up. So when me go home, when we reach there, the wife is there, and the wife said that the husband not come in yet. So when the husband come, Mrs. we say we did that. She give me the room key. I tell you how we are. Boy, me I tell you. She give me the room key. And she give me the room key. And we dey run a room there till we in van drive in. When in van drive in, We say, yes, boss, come now. So we are going to put on work a morning. Lord Jesus, when the man come in at the house, tell the husband, say, Junior and my friend run a room there. What? They're not supposed to stay in here.
Oh my
Lord have
word.
mercy. We are consider now, so we are going to sleep in the full cube while the full
Yes,
cube
I
is this
full
up.
cube.
Me I tell you, say, no, in kind of sympathize down with me stay till the morning. Yeah.
Remember say, all in wife have to hide and give you
hide
food.
and give a little food, you know, no one. The pastor man, you know. Pastor man. His wife have to hide and shove little food, white rice you want place give you, you know.
Are you serious?
Hey, yeah, man. For sure you say, I know, yes, so we are forward from, so you don't know. People might see you now and you might can spend one extra $100. They might try to carry you down, but they don't know where we are come from.
Yes.
Yeah, if we life you know, develop, say yes, we come born in a hit. We struggle from far if we cut where we there, if we can buy one beer when we want it, you know, and make the family alright. You catch it free. So terrible man, terrible man.
So the experience is sometimes just was not so good. Never. That's why you always end up coming back to Sri Lanka.
Back to coming back.
Yes.
So you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the best place to be are here. To where me see.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Doggie, talk to me now because you know, you say you're a comedian.
Yes, comedian.
You're right.
Not idiot.
Not comedian.
Not comedian.
Where did that side of you come from?
Well, you know, say in other part of life, you know, I found my wife mash me up and me get serious. And me say the seriousness I take over. Being the man, my cousin, you have Mr. Woodfine, a friend, and full of people when me hear kind of talk, kind of different way, and crack a joke, so me get up to start laugh.
Yes.
So me find out say, oh, it's better to laugh than serious, because me feel enjoyment when me laugh.
Yes.
So eventually me just start imitate them till me catch on pan it. So that's why me come to be comedian.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yes, man. And
So-
me imitate them and do even when them, I'll even talk more sometimes better than when me talk people laugh, when them talk people don't laugh much. So me
Right.
kind of build pan it, you know.
Okay.
Yes, man.
So all right. So give us a sample of. So you talk about your cousin being a man.
Yes, man. That's how we come down, you know. You see all them man with the markets and the crown them. Me respect me bicycle more than them the vehicle they know. For when me wash off all my bicycle and put on me helmet and me dark glass. And ride go all some place and drop all when I me foot off my bicycle. Any girl see me want me, you know. For me all lyrics, you know. For sometimes me about $1 $500 in my pocket and just say one word to one woman and buy my thing for drink. For me get a argument. And when me go home, me remember say, if $500 it will buy me dinner. Me spend it on the woman. So that's how me come in to build me vibes and make people laugh and stuff like that. You have another one, Mr. Woodfine from Warsaw. Me tell you something. Say me there me yard sit down until one little girl come. Say Mr. Woodfine and give her money. So me take out one money and give little girl. So when the girl get the money, walk away, so me ask him if he not give me a dance. The girl said, no, hear no music, I play me holy man can't go in the house and put it on him in poop. So after he left the yard now, they say, them a can't go a doctor for them. He say, Mr. Woodfine rape him, but when the doctor test him, he say, no, no, rape him. And Mr. Woodfine for when we have fling seed, we fling seed. That's Mr. Woodfine. So me I come from Manchester with me bag of tool. For me have me only part tool, them, you know. For me have every tool to do mason work. But I one tool out of the bag me use. One tool out of the bag me use. I hungry spade for me mix off a load of all. So me have me tool for me shoulder walk down the hill there now. I want big van top on me foot. And say company van and me go on the van. Me say thank you son in driver. So when me catch off me cross road now, me see say man I go in other way. Me knock the van side and come up. And walk and say thank you again sir. The man say come here. Me go to him man. Him man say you remember me tell out so you remember the load of mall where you mix off 5 grape side. Me say, oh, yeah, you are. He say, yeah, me say, all right, sir. And the man put something in my hand. So me say, thank you, sir. So, instead of me pay, the man fi drive pan the van, the man pay me fi drive pan the van. So you fi do good. So, I saw me come down, me.
Yes.
Imitate people.
Yes. So any of these persons ever take offense to you imitating them?
No. Me the right side of them, I imitate them, and them even themselves a laugh.
Oh, so they know
They
that's
know
how you
say
are.
that's how, yeah, that's how me come down. Them a laugh.
Okay, yes.
Them a laugh. You have all a lady named Miss Celeste now.
Which part me have body fi bully down pa me, Miss Green? Them bully down pa me, no kill me. Look on the size of bull fi down pa me, Miss Green. What a wicked man like a shepherd.
I claim to say Bula and she there. So, you know.
Oh, so
You have another one named Da, Master my head. When we first time we get light, no near run pan Ferry Road, way down a common road, we run one chan a wire from. So we support some people in the area thief light. So he say, "I'ma go get light." He ma line up to get for him light. So give him light, man. All not rain when rain fall and the wire chip out. We have to go down there test wire to see if we can get back Likkle light. Just see. He say, "Man, let me tell you something. Anytime we get light, me I go make you get a leg off of it." Jesus, peace, man. They run up and down until they get light. So me go check him. After me check him, man, and say, "Da, you know, remember I think them man say you say, what you talk about now?" Me say, you know, remember say you say you go give me Likkle light, man.
Which light you talk about? Everybody run up and down go get the light, man. You think a little go run and go up and John Bumfield go silent. You think a little run, you run up and down to get the light of me. I go find you other light, man.
You know, so me imitate them, you know, and make people laugh. Make them laugh, you know.
So what happened? Why I never want to give you the light?
No, because
You
no,
prom-
he promised me to the appointed time. Say yes, when he light, when him get him by light, him a go give me because of how me help him with the
Yes.
thief light so that he can have like a bulb light and
Yes.
yard. So all of a sudden he get his one now. So me don't know what kind of change in mind
Yes.
not to give. For all in mind say he's a man where think he light a go done.
Oh.
Because he tackle me, he have a grandson named Dean and me have a virgin named Butty and one named Cusco. So we go, catch what the son no more have the light near to we know. We go there one day and judge a God. He man pass with the fact on his shoulder. Even! And we tell him even and him grown. When we did we see wife come with one bungalow out on his head and him grown. Tell evening and grown a kitchen. We don't hear no sound. So we still run a veranda Dean did they fix one radio. Tell me here. Him, oh, do, and come round. I die, man, your husband, come round.
You see that dear boy in a yard, you call him gunman in your palm, your roses. You find them, you burn out with light, man. You burn out with light, no man, you burn out with light.
I thought it went done. It's something
Yes,
that
it
going
was
done
finished.
because you know sense none of them know say
Yes.
hungry when light gone, he light gone. But once it's in the line, it continues. So him
Yes.
say we are burn it out.
Oh.
You know, so he never know say he can't done so.
Yes.
So you know,
Oh wow.
wow, so
And you said this comedian side of you keeps you going.
keep me going, man. So you know, you have some people out there go through smaller issues than when me go through. And
Yes.
trust me, them do wicked things, do bad things, but just leave it alone. Use something to build back your brain in a normal way than if you know say you consider about prison, kill people and stuff like that. You know,
So you just make yourself happy
make
with
yourself happy and make people around you happy. Once you make people around you start laugh, your mind come back to the normal world. You know
that.
what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, you know,
Wow.
consider nothing bad. So
Yes.
that's where we are come from, you know. Yes, man. So me survive, you know. So me
Yes.
survive.
You survive.
Yeah, man.
Tell me bigger brother there, you know. How bad man that, you know. He named Delray, you know. We call him Rat. But you can't look on that the man and not call him Rat. You know, she a bigger than that Rat that. He named Delray.
Judge,
Hi, Mr. Williams, how you doing?
Yes,
Wow.
man. I'm a brother.
You're there
that.
taking a brother. So, Mr. Williams, talk to us though about because you know what you described that you go through is
Yeah.
something that I know many persons may have gone through, may still be going through, and you get through it because you say you are in a better place now.
Yes, man.
So talk to them about, you know, what is that they could do. Tell them about, you know, how to get through the struggles of life. It may not be like yours,
But
but it could be similar or it could be something different, but it's something that is weighing them down. Talk to them about how they can get through the stresses of life.
yes, man. Me tell you, a way where you can get through is stress. Remember saying, no, the scale in the shop hang up, you know, and it's zero. You need to stay on zero. If you take up a pound of stuff and put it in the scale, it's going to go to where it is. So once you take off the thing off of the scale, it'll go zero back. Zero back your brain and free yourself. And take your weight off of you and see if you don't live better. So that's a form of life where use the scale and know say his scale 0 stay there. But once you put something on it, it don't move. So it's just like your brain. Once you take off the problem off of your brain, you go 0 back and live a better life.
Yes.
Don't think about killing, prison, thief, and all this stuff there. You know, consider the negative part of life. Take up a machete, read up on a piece of place, love what you're doing, and see if you know motivate yourself from
And
the
surround
problem.
yourself with
And
people you
surround
can
yourself
talk
with
to.
people where you can
Yeah.
talk to. Don't lean upon the person where I go say, yo, see something, I go kill somebody.
Yeah.
You know, so a negative part of life you have to consider about.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Williams, it certainly has been a pleasure speaking with
Yeah.
you. I'm happy that we're able to get through the interview because I know normally when I'm talking to you, I can't keep a straight face because you are such a comedian. But you know, I'm happy that you would have gone through the things and
Yeah.
you are where you are now. We are in
Yeah.
a much better place and you're
Yes.
doing great.
Yes.
So, thanks so much and commendation for talking to us. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah.
Any last word for our viewers and subscribers? Come and see you get ready.
Yes, man, may I get ready if you look piece of yam, if you say me can give you piece of yam
Oh,
for
you
cow.
have a look piece of yam.
Yes, me I look piece of beanie, man. May I go and find a yam for you.
Oh, okay.
Let me see if me find none for that one, yeah.
All right.
Yes. Him I can chop off now, right? Not true. Yeah, okay, me I go work, you know. Jaja.
So until next time, viewers and subscribers, this is where we end the video. Bless up and thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. So see you next time.
Peace, bro.